Today we're checking out the new TRIBIT StormBox 2 portable Bluetooth speaker. I want to thank TRIBIT for sending this over to review on the channel. Current price is $69 on Amazon, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. They actually sent over a second speaker so we can pair these to see how it sounds a little bit later. It's got two 17-watt speakers, 360 degree surround sound. It's got X-Bass tech, 24-hour playtime. It's IPX7 waterproof. Also has Bluetooth 5.3. It's got X-Bass, hands-free calling, Bluetooth 5.3, stereo pairing, and of course this works with the TRIBIT app. Inside the box, you've got a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Of course, you have the quick start guide. Okay, this is actually really nice build quality. It has a softer, but yet still pretty rugged fabric material on the outside. Kind of feels like a plastic with a soft touch material around the edges. Nice silicone material there on each side. Pretty nice silicone controls here right on the front. This is kind of boxy and then just rounded on the corners instead of being completely round like the JBL Flip 5 or 6. So I don't think this one's gonna roll around as much. Here on the back, you've got power, Bluetooth, X-Bass, TWS pairing. Then you also have a silicone flap covering the charging port and your 3.5mm auxiliary jack. You've also got a fabric loop here on the top as well. It's pretty simple to connect this through the TRIBIT app. I also like that you don't have to create an account in order to use the app as well. It also looks like there's a firmware update, so might as well go ahead and do that. In the app, you can see you've got the battery life, play, forwards and backwards. You also have some preset equalizer settings, or you can do a customized equalizer setting as well. I definitely like the buttons on here, how they're oversized. Just makes it easier to use in my opinion. Okay, sound quality on here actually sounds really good. You can tell there's a speaker on this side and the opposite. So I feel like it does have really good surround sound compared to speakers that only have a speaker on one side. Now for the next part of the video, you'll want to use headphones. I'll play a few different songs just to give you an idea of what it sounds like.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. We're gonna let it fade, sunlight. We're gonna let it just like the sunrise. We're gonna let it out.
It's probably hard to tell from this video, but in person, surprisingly it sounds really good and somewhat similar to the quality you get from a JBL Flip 5 or Flip 6. I think the sound is definitely better when you stand the speaker up, because when you lay it down, it's pretty easy to cover up the other side of the speaker. I feel like the sound quality on here is better than I was expecting. If it had a more popular brand logo on it, I don't think most people would notice a difference in build quality and the way that it sounds, especially for the size. The bass seems decent on here, but it's not so much that it overpowers the vocals. I feel it also has pretty good clarity, and if you're looking for a rugged speaker, this one's really simple to pair with another TRIBIT StormBox 2. I feel like this is a pretty good option and definitely one of the better speakers that I've tested recently.
Water